Good afternoon. Let's look at page 31, question number 3. Here are the function f equals a negative 3x squared plus 6x minus 5. Now as I think about the factors of negative 3 and the factors of 5, there's nothing that's going to add up to 6. So I'm not even going to waste my time looking at factors for this. I'm simply going to figure out that x is a negative b over 2a. So if I take a negative b, I'm going to have a negative 6 over 2 times a negative 3. So that's going to give me a negative 6 over negative 6, which gives me 1. So let's create our table. X, y, we have a value of 1. We can get smaller. We can get bigger. Now let's figure out what our values would be. If I plug a 1 back through this function, find f of 1. I'm going to get a negative 3 times 1 squared plus 6 times 1 minus 5. So that's going to give me 1, negative 3 plus 6 minus 5. So I have a negative 8 plus 6, which will give me a negative 2. If I find f of 0, a negative 3 times 0 squared plus 6 times 0 minus 5. And because those are zeros, they're just gone, and we get a negative 5. Because it's symmetric, both of those points will be negative 5. Now we're going to plug in f of a negative 1. If I get a negative 3, a negative 1 squared, plus 6 times a negative 1 minus 5. So here I'm going to get 1. 1 times a negative 3 would give me a negative 3 minus 6 minus 5. So all of these are negative, so that's going to give me 9, 14, negative 14. Now if I look at this, my x values are mostly positive, but my y values are negative. So I'm going to create a table or a graph that looks like this. Find my center, which is 1, and plot a point at negative 2. And then 0 is at negative 5, so 3, 4, 5. And over here at 2 and negative 5. And then at a negative 1, it's down here, and I'm just going to write negative 14. Rather than counting out all the lines entirely. Over here at 3, down at a negative 14. So now let's draw our parabola. So it looks like that. We can draw our axis of symmetry going through here. Axis of symmetry, and we know this is our vertex. Have a great day. Bye-bye.